Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix the OBS Studio no desktop audio issue. So let's get started. If OBS Studio is recording your microphone but not your desktop audio, or viewers can't hear your game sound during streams, don't worry. This is a common OBS problem, and in most cases it can be fixed in just a few minutes. First, open OBS Studio and go to Settings. Select Audio from the left side menu. Under Desktop Audio, make sure the correct playback device is selected. This is usually your speakers, headphones, or headset. Once selected, click Apply and then OK. Next, check the audio mixer in OBS. Make sure the desktop audio slider is turned up and not muted. Play a video or some music on your computer and watch the audio meter. If the meter is moving, OBS is detecting the sound. However, if the audio meter is moving but there's still no sound in your recording or stream, the problem is usually related to audio tracks. Open Settings again and go to Output. Change the output mode to Advanced. Then open either the Recording tab or the Streaming tab, depending on where you're experiencing the issue. Make sure an audio track is selected. Now go back to the audio mixer, click the three dots next to Desktop Audio, and choose Advanced Audio Properties. Verify that desktop audio is assigned to the same track you're using for recording or streaming. If everything looks correct and you're still having problems, check your Windows audio settings. Right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar and open the volume mixer. Find OBS Studio in the list and make sure its volume isn't turned down or muted. After applying these changes, test your recording or stream again. In most cases, your desktop audio should now be working properly in OBS Studio. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, make sure to subscribe for more OBS Studio guides, recording tips, and streaming tutorials. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.